Do I need help with my math, solving system of inequalities?
That's why we need Masala tech support. Math to anyone in this world.
Wow.
The only thing is the price is kind of expensive, around $53 billion, but I think you can handle that, right? Oh,
my money. Time to learn math, boys.
I've never seen so much money in my life. You're $1 short.
Kumar!
Okay, I think that's good. We can have a little discount for him. $1 is okay. Okay. Who's ready for some math? You want to learn about inequalities? Let's do it. Someone left the whiteboard in the bathroom.
Yeah, I don't know who that guy was.
And they left the toilet seat open.
They need to improve their manners.
Yeah. Hey, you want to know what an inequality is?
You got that? What are you doing? You got a marker.
Inequality is basically an equation, except instead of an equal sign, it's a less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or not equal to. Hey, you ready? You guys ready for me to solve the first system of inequalities?
No.
By graphing? Assistant, can you please hand me the first system of inequalities? Can't say inequalities, right? Thank you. Thank you, assistant. First system is gonna be y is less than or equal to 7x plus 10. And y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 4. Okay, actually it's negative 7x. First, let's draw the graph. The only way to solve a system of inequalities is by graphing. Okay, we can't use substitution or elimination because that doesn't work. Yeah, but there is another way. Well, actually, it's basically the same way. Is by using Desmos.
Yes.
Why graph when you can use Desmos?
Desmos is way easier. Insert equation and it does it for you.
Okay.
More easier.
So, be quiet. Okay, so first inequality is going to be in red. First, plus positive 10 is the y-intercept. So let's go right here. And for the first equation, we're going to be lucky because it's already in slope-intercept, and that's the ideal form of inequality or equation you want it to be in when you graph. So negative 7x, it's going to be something like this. Oh, actually, it's going to be going both ways. And for the next one, it's going to be negative 4. So let's say something right here. And then 3x, so it's going to be slightly less steep than this line. So let's say something like that. Okay. So now we solve which way is true or correct. So for red, solve for red first, for the red line. We can take here the point 0, 0. The point 0, 0. And we can plug that into the inequality. So it's 0 is less than or equal to negative 7 times 0 plus 10. And in this case, this is true because 0 is less than 10. So, good. Big circle around it. And you want to put arrows. That's the way Stolen likes it. That's the way Stolen So you just want to put arrows in the direction it's going to go, because this is where 0, 0 is. Next inequality, the green line. Again, we do the same exact thing. 0, 0. Grab 0, 0 right here, and we put 0 in each side. So it's 0 is greater than or less than or greater than or equal to 3 times 0 minus 4. Minus 0 is greater than or equal to -4. Again, this is true. So you point in the direction the equation, the inequality is true. Now you just shade in. So here, this way is good for both, and this area is the only area where both inequalities line up and view it as true. This wouldn't work because only red is true and green is false. This wouldn't work because it's false for red but true for green. It's only true for one inequality. That's the first one.
Hello, Professor Kumar in the house. I'm sorry, Naoya could not make it, unfortunately, because he just got the Zika virus. Latest update. I wish I could send help and flowers, but I'm actually really busy. I have a lot of classes to teach, so I'll be replacing him, and let's go to example 2. So, assistant, may I have the problem? Nice. It looks like it's going to give me a lot of answers. Okay. I need to put out all the markers from the top dart box, because why not? Okay. So our first equation is y greater than or equal to x plus 5. And our second equation is y, keep messing up on this part, it's really hard, y less than or equal to -7x plus 30. And so now we're going to be graphing, because that's the only solution for inequalities. So we're going to start by first graphing out this. So first we're going to graph this one, which is going to be the red / pink. And then this one's going to be black, because when Naoya went to get the Zika virus, he took the green marker with him, unfortunately. That was really sad. So we're going to start graphing this. So I'm going to start at 5. This is going to be around right here, the guesstimate, because if you want more accurate answers, you want to use Desmos. Clearly!
Yeah,
yes,
why are we using Desmos?
So now I'm going to be graphing a constant x, because it's just a single x. Constant straight line. Then now we're going to first go to the starting point, switch markers, go up all the way to 30, which is around here. Then we want to go -7x. It's going to be around right here. Okay, so now we graphed it. Now we need to check. So we're going to take a common point. Stone recommended us to use this point, which is actually 0, 0. We're going to substitute that into our equation. You see if they're true. So we're going to do the math here. So that means it's 0 greater than or equal to 0 plus 5. And then as you can see, it is 5 is not equal to, 0 is not greater than 5 or equal to 5. So in that condition, it is false. If this is false, we would not shade this area, but we would use arrows to this. Okay, so now we're going to do our second equation. I'm going to check that. Thank you. And then it's going to be 0 less than or equal to -7, 0 plus 30. Then we're going to simplify this. It's going to become 0, because anything multiplied by 0 is 0, obviously. And 30. And in this situation, this is true, because 30 is greater than 0, if you didn't know that. Good. So then now we're going to shape everything towards the side of 0, 0. And to find this at the end, you're going to need to shade in the area which suffices both the equation, and that's going to be this side. Okay, let me shade it out. And then don't worry guys, I have a tribute for Mr. Stolen. And this is for Mr. Stolen. Clip-on ties, because he loves clip-on ties. I'm ready. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for the lesson, Carbon.